The United States Department of Agriculture defines food insecurity as having limited access to nutritious, safe foods necessary to live a healthy lifestyle. Professor Marina Stopler, a lecturer in the Health Sciences Department at Lehman College, discusses the effects of limited access to nutritious foods in her Introduction to Nutrition classes.
We see increase in chronic diseases, type 2 diabetes. Oftentimes that's related with obesity. If people consume more energy-dense food because they're more available or more affordable, and they gain weight from that food, it leads to other complications.
Pastor James Hassell, pastor at Kingdom Christian Cultural Center in Yonkers, works with Yonkers Healthy Connections for Life, an organization that uses urban farming to fight food deserts.
They actually encouraged the use of empty lots in our city for the planting of community gardens, and people would plant vegetables, green beans, peppers and collard greens and cabbage and all those things during the summer, and they would be able to harvest those and give them to the community.
In 2018, Temple University reported that 15% of CUNY students reported some level of food insecurity. In an attempt to combat this, the Corbin Hill Food Project has a solution to bring fresh, affordable produce right to campus.
It serves a very important role in providing fresh produce and fruit to the Bronx community and to Lehman students in particular. And if you go into most supermarkets, many supermarkets in the Bronx, and the produce has been sitting there for days, it's wilting, it's expensive, and it's bad. So I feel like Corbin Hill is really offering a lot better.
Lehman College has a pantry open to all students no matter their income. The pantry offers a wide range of canned food, meats, and produce. Bronxites are committed to making nutritious and affordable food more accessible in order to minimize food insecurity. Reporting for BronxNet, Gail Bannister.